So once over, okay, I turn it, and then again, and now I'm meeting it in the middle, okay? And now I'm kind of pulling and I'm sealing, but the action is this. The action is not this. I'm not smashing it. I'm not trying to flatten it. I'm trying to create a tube. Okay, and I'm going to do this, and now you see how long it's getting? I'm going to do this 3 times. Okay? And then once out, so you have a nice 21 inch. When I get to here, I'm really applying pressure, only here though, okay, so I get those tips. I'm not doing blunt ends, because blunt ends serve a different purpose, so I want those tips, I like those tips. And you like those tips, okay?
So 21 inches like the official length of a baguette, if you are like...
For this class, yes. For the weight we're using and everything, I like the... So I always do them 21 inches with 5 marks. Okay, so again, from the beginning. Again, I want that gas. I want that air that's in there, you know, the texture, because it shows like I didn't put it through a baguette machine. I'm hand shaping it. I don't know why I do that. Tip. I just do it. It's just a habit. Now, if my dough is fighting me and I start to see a little bit of ripping, I don't try to fight my dough. You'll always lose. The dough is the boss of the applesauce, not you. You can't force it. You can't manhandle it. You have to just respect its personality, if you will, or its characteristics. So if it's fighting you, just put it aside. Let it rest a little bit and then go back to it, okay? But don't force it to do something it's not meant to do. Because all that's telling you is that the gluten needs more time to rest. It's like a rubber band, you know, it's like, okay?
Is that temperature related or?
Which one?
The gluten when it contracts, or is that just?
It's a lot of, okay, so if I had done a bunch of folds on this, a couple folds, it would have been much more difficult. Or if I mixed it longer, it could have been more difficult. If I had cold fermented or cold retarded it, it would have been more difficult. Okay, so this is the goal. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this in a couche. Okay, so what I want you to do is go to your station